Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk you through the process for installing Tableau on your own laptop or desktop that you'll need for our class. Now, we're going after the academic version, which is free to students. They'll actually give you a 1-year license that obviously gets you through this semester, and then anything you want to try on it for next semester as well. So let's first go to Tableau, Tableau.com. We'll do a little control enter there to get that up quicker. Now here's the Tableau website, and it is free for everybody, but usually, you get, if you just, the average Joe, you're just going to get 10 days free trial. But because you're a student and you can prove you're a student, an enrolled student, you can go down to the very bottom of the Tableau website. So just keep scrolling. Underneath this section on try Tableau for free, you really do have to go way down here to the bottom, and you see the academic link in small letters. You are going to click on the academic link. And you will see, you can read all you want to on here. It's a lot of great information. At the top right, it says student free trial with the orange background button. So you're going to click on the student free trial, and you may have to show them give them a picture ID of your school ID. You definitely want to always set up your account using your school email address. That's another way they verify that you're truly an enrolled student. So that's all very important. And sometimes they'll start you off with like the 10-day free trial, and then they'll convert it to the student 1-year license. So just know that. And so you could get your download today. Just download it to your laptop or desktop and begin working on the particular assignments that I have listed. Okay, so I hope this video helps you get this downloaded onto your laptop. Have a great day.